참참 소소고야 데 마라두 셈바마교 셈슈마차 니마 노베 제수 니마 샤르규임바 녜제레 미체 통통레 땀데 링보레 다다유나 상니메나 다다유 테니 직대인기 춘이레 두즈데 실레 학바레 간제 배주 주기 예바데 수술라라유 두즈데 실레 학바레 실게 링당데 수술 제구
ke samala tashi dele anita tandanga de dharamsala tanda other space ki kan la yoro andela lego gimjen so di tanda tenzi pinzo tempin la gi tanda tap du sini tama du je to resaro and tempin do cha sanda tap tanda di tap sumba re dro dimo ni tap ani tön sa du ta tande di tap sumba re sharo sonza tangi gi tende nyen dum de ngi tema tangbo do su gi yoro sonza number so do yung re wa da anyam do ponga ji tanda tap di singi yo ba na ani khabal yume jel ngi khone mila kyuksi tanda number so ge she ju ro la so ani motin siru ji ta mi khali tada yung do ro okay
by Black Next to the Rights in 2015, and since then, after the publication of my first book, a lot of my friends, they inspired me, encouraged me to keep on writing, and although, in a way, like writing in another language, since Tibetan is my mother tongue, so English is something that I've since long, when I was in school, I had this kind of, curiosity to explore. The first time it happened when I was in Dhasa, back then was among myself and the wise monk, and I had this fantasy about, fairy tales and all these things, and luckily they were available at our monastery. And I brought some of them and just went through and drank. And right now I feel I finally be able to come up with another poetry book. And the process of writing this book, actually, I just wrote randomly during certain moments at at an ungodly times. So through random moments, certain eruptions of emotions, and while getting some inspiration, yeah, like all these things, and I had to do several like recheck and need to seek the help of editors to edit my work, and a lot of my friends and also writers like Jumla, Jenla, and all so many Kerala and so many my friends I can't name all now. It helped me to bring it to today, and I hope you guys will be able to see some what to say. I'm out of words. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. I have nothing much to say. Thank you so much for coming here.
Thank you. Before I start, I just want to reiterate that it's an honor to be reading for Tenphun. He's someone that any of us who know him, he's someone who wears many hats, is pretty much a jack of all trades, and true personification of joy, creative expression, innocence, maturity, depth, and just positivity, all at the same time. And he truly, truly inspires each and every one of us to really, really cherish and enjoy our life to the fullest. So here is one poem that reminded me of who Tenphun really is, and it's my honor to be sharing it all with you. It's called Endless Joy, and it goes like this. I wish to see the small things, but not only as a dreamer. For dreamers dream. Dreams are infinite. Desires are sometimes in excess, and pure love awaits no one. It finds its small piece of joy in the ocean of emptiness, with its warmth somewhere at the corner and silencing. This great awareness, which is the realization of simple joy of the presence. Pure love aligns with neither side.
The poem that I'm going to read is Small Things in Life. It's been quite a while since I got lost in this other side of the world. My daily routines are seemingly not normal. My dreams are beyond the borders of social order. My thoughts are a little rough and tough. I wash my face and brush my teeth. I make sure my nails are cleanly cut.
I have feelings tumbling and turning. Just don't know if I am sincere. I feel the music of lust engulfing me. Just don't know the sensual gives you warmth. I have sweet souls carrying forward. Just don't know how to return.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Well, I'm from United States, but from Montana. But I lived here almost 32 years. So thank you. And I have a gift for Sangalo, This is not a Tibetan, but it's, our roots. So, thank you. And I hope this will sing well. Sometimes it doesn't, because this can also talk. Yeah. Thank you. And I wish you all the best. Look, keep it up. Never give up, no matter what. Okay? Because sometimes the upper people look us down too much. So let's be in the level. So today is the day of also Guru worship. So let me just say hello to him first. Home. Uyenwegen Jansa. Pema Jesa Kongola. Yamzen Chogi Uju Pema Jume says Court to Kandu Mangu Court. Here he says that. Chinky Lok says Oma Guru Pema Oma Guru Pema Uma
Interessada. Tenphun, Swirl. Touch delay. Mamuyo. 오케이, 당아 두스네. 나라 두스 조스로 아니게 코란기 단다 탭 사와디.
Tenphun Swirl dusngi nyesha ro jidanga thangbu sho na thep loya de ka me ro ani inile kumshi dippe ke chumbu de sambu ro ani nga loya le nga tie de la ma de chi ro ani number 2 inji miji ani Quran shingi na shu chikta suzu gi tanda chiki she tangai nere thep tingi nere she thamgi nere remote tingi nere lobjong ki kanji tola nga zu pebe gi na shu ji ya burdu thongyo na dila 갭교르치 다도 야 비갸다라 다동코 딜레 사가치 얘기 건 상매기 지기 갭교르다 개인 요래 상부들어 손자 디손자 다른가 가도 야부케서로 지단 년동 다다버도 대 운지 년동 다다버도 제 쇠메로 년동 다 개개 곱결 하세 책을 들어 디 탱 당쇼도 책을 들어 나대 운지들 지단 미고는 옆도 대 로야 된데 가오요 말아 된데 실을 리미도 달린 두시니 차왕기 균이 두신 레스랑아조 쇼바던다 계산사가 두스 운지 차와다 안 두스 마르도 없을라 아니 그런 게 주둥아다 체갈라 아니 단다 그런 게 탭디 운지 체기어 라와다 아니 가 두시니 두즈 톨라마다 돈에 두시니 그런 소기 단다 제고 춘주들 두시니 도이로 문이 항상 두로 손장아란주 창마 비립빈다 차자직 지기 미지기 야 누구요나 인지미지들라 갭교르치르치 깡바텐디 뉴스체 야 비가타인디 망스치로 챌린지 나 코란로 차샤와이나 문이지기 탭 팅이 찍고 많이 봐 롱에 된데 탑샤 시 당샤 찍 배고 릭제기 초도 교도 저래서 소자 템비온 라타스 텔레페 망부예 무티니 타라 지기 양의 다와나신기 두스크란 야게 도행기 멜람미에 나선 드리기년도디 다가랑 참샤에 담아달라김 그럼 주고지 깨게버도 된 토바다 벽이 되다 경내 녀도 세동에 참디 다시 면든 슈고예 라서 아니 탭디다 로그인다